Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a secure connection with Windscribe in 2026. If you want to protect your privacy, encrypt your internet traffic, and browse more safely, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open the Windscribe app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your account. Next, make sure you have a stable internet connection before connecting to the VPN. Now choose a VPN server from the list of available locations. For the best performance, select a server that is close to your physical location. Next, click the Connect button and wait a few moments while Windscribe establishes the encrypted VPN connection. Once connected, check the app for the connected status to confirm that your secure connection is active. Next, open your web browser and visit a website to make sure your internet connection is working normally through the VPN. Now, if available, enable the firewall or kill switch feature to prevent your internet traffic from leaking if the VPN connection is interrupted. Next, keep the VPN connected whenever you're using public Wi-Fi or accessing sensitive accounts, such as banking or email. Now avoid disconnecting the VPN until you've finished your online activities that require additional privacy. Finally, keep the Windscribe app updated so you always have the latest security improvements and performance updates. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a secure connection with Windscribe. You can now browse the internet with greater privacy, stronger encryption, and improved security. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.